Hello guys, and welcome to this video. I'm going to be showing you how to activate your seller mode on Fiverr. So the first thing you want to do when you sign into your account, this is my gig page, so you can just go to the profile picture on the right here, click on it, and you see the option just below the name switch to buying. You can click on it, and it should take you to the buyers page. So from here you can go through the page to see what other freelancers are doing on their page, or the latest trend. You can also, if you want, you can also add a keyword research tool that I use called Fiverr Quick View here, which would actually highlight all the tools, the trending keyword, so that if you're creating a gig you can actually stand out. So let me just show you how it works. You can click on writing or translation, or click on whatever niche you are focused on, and then go to, let me just choose articles and blogs, so I'll show you. Yes, okay, sometimes Fiverr does this things where it will ask you to complete a task and just have to do it, especially if you're using an ad blocker. So you just have to press and hold, and you're done. Okay, should get me back to Fiverr now. And so this is the page. So this is your selling account, and yeah, this is Fiverr Quick View I was talking about. It would highlight all the trending keywords, even for people who are pro writers, the keywords they are using, and how you can also utilize those keywords for better engagement on your gigs. So guys, yeah, this is it. This is just it. I mean, once you include all of these keywords in your account when you're creating a gig, you would see the drastic effects. So guys, let me know about what you think about this in the comment section. And if you've enjoyed this video, please let me know, and I would really love it. And also please subscribe to the channel. We are trying to grow. Thank you guys very much. I'll see you in the next one.